of your front of you. So it's saving the space, of course, but you get the fruit flat. And this is first class. Of course, this is the something like a, what do we say, flagship to the airline, but that doesn't make any much money out of it because too many space it's been taken, and of course that everybody is so high class that they really let's say picky about everything. Anyway, we made some new one. You can hang your coat yourself, so you don't have to call the cabin attendant all the time. You want to have the pen, you have to look at the a passport, or you can just come out and get you what you like. And also, well, that's about the seats, okay? And talking about the my place, my style. That's the just the beginning of the new service, which I just going to say here. So you have to forget after you go out the door, okay? Okay, my style, my choice. That means you can choose what you like, right? If you're sitting the same seats, I mean at the same, well, sitting somebody, side by side, and you're the person, you don't want to have anything to serve, right? You want to leave alone, so you can take sleep, good night's sleep, right? But the next person who are sitting beside you want to have the caviar all the time. Here it's a whole can of caviar, which is about the cost of the, let's see, I don't know about the birds, but maybe 30,000 bahts a can, okay? Eating beside you while you are sleeping. Okay, is it fair? Okay, next service, we are from here. What we're gonna do is pay for value. It's just like a going restaurant. You choose what you like and what you pay, right? Is it going to be happen in airline? Yes, we are going to do that. That's how we choose my style, my place. I mean, it's easier people to understand. The value is different to each person has their different style, and the cost, of course, it should be different. So we have to talk about it. What's the service and what's the value, and what's the what you pay for it. So there's something that's going to be happen after we start doing this to the airline. Seems like okay, it's what do you say, bad service, because you are not getting anything if you are not ordering it, and if you order it, you have to pay it. But if you are not getting anything, you're getting the cheaper ticket. The cost of the airline is going to be going down. And on the other hand, we go into the of course the food, and this is the Calgary and the plates for the first class European style meal. Okay, this is the Japanese style. You see lots of difference between European and Japanese, by you can tell not only by food, by the plates and the silvers, right? We try to change the plates. It can be used for both meal, both cuisine. So some of the, we're looking at the lots of the plates, changing to something else like this. We review all the plates and silvers, everything. And reducing the formerly, there's a 28 plates for Japanese food and became 18. So there's a 10 plates are reduced. That means 36% of the variation is changed. Same thing, formerly, okay, another thing, sorry. You know, ceramic in Japan are very famous. Okay, not only the style, or not only the artistic points. It's the how they can make the plates very light and strong. So we reduce the weight of the plates about 45%. So we reduce the number of the plates, the different kind of plates, about 36%, and we reduce the weight of 45%. And again, you don't have to have the variation of stocks in the airport. That costs about, let's see, I cannot refer to the parts now, but 36 million US dollar every year to reduce it. And of course, we reduce the weight 45%, reducing the fuel cost, of course, or we can put something else on, something else, like Sky Shop, merchandising of Sky Shop, variations. We can put the different liquor for serving, different meal to everybody. And another things, because you can order what you like, we don't have to put the double number of the fish, double number of meat anymore. Okay? We can just put the extra maybe 10% meal to the airplane. That's reducing the weight again. Something like this. This is the value of Celsius. Everybody understand? Another things. This is mizuhiki. I think this is, I want you to translate in Thai. We use these things for celebration, or maybe giving them some kind of money to the wedding or something. We use that kind of the special wrapping. And there is the old-fashioned what do you say, paper, can you translate?